Hashtag Tesla's insane $6.5 trillion compensation, plus AI5 and AI6 chips, plus Giga Berlin full self-driving analysis. Hey everyone, thanks so much for tuning into the channel today, and if you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button right now. Hit the like button and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest videos. Alright guys, today is absolutely insane. We're covering 3 massive Tesla news bombs that dropped simultaneously. I'm talking about world-changing stuff here. Each one of these stories could shake the entire planet. First up, Elon Musk's mind-blowing $6.5 trillion compensation package. Second, Tesla's in-house AI5 and AI6 chips. And third, the fully autonomous production line at Giga Berlin. Every single one of these stories is like something straight out of a science fiction movie. First bombshell, Elon Musk's shocking $6.5 trillion compensation package. Let's start with the most jaw-dropping news first. On September 7th, 2025, Karan Singh from Not a Tesla app reported that Tesla's board revealed a new long-term CEO performance compensation for Elon Musk in their preliminary proxy statement for the 2025 shareholder meeting. Guys, can you even wrap your head out? Around $6.5 trillion. Do you realize how massive that number is? That's like combining the market caps of Meta, Microsoft, and Google Alphabet all together. It's absolutely insane. But here's the thing. Tesla just declared they're gunning for this $6.5 trillion target. This isn't just compensation. It's an ultra-ambitious incentive package to keep Elon Musk at Tesla and drive the company to unprecedented levels of growth. What's really fascinating is that this plan directly connects to the recently announced Master Plan Part 4. Tesla's future vision isn't just some concept anymore. It's becoming a concrete execution plan. The trillion-dollar game. Complete analysis of 12 milestones. Based on the successful framework of the 2018 compensation, this new 2025 CEO performance compensation gives Elon a crystal-clear mission: grow Tesla into a multi-trillion-dollar shareholder value company. To get the full compensation, he needs to create almost $5.5 trillion in new shareholder value. The compensation is split into 12 parts, each requiring 1 market cap milestone and 1 operational milestone to unlock. The scale of these targets is absolutely mind-blowing, but the massive compensation package matches that ambition. Let's break down the market cap milestones. The first target is $1.5 trillion. Considering Tesla's current market cap is around $800 billion, that means nearly doubling the company. The next 9 levels require $350 billion in additional growth each, and the final 2 levels need $750 billion each, reaching that ultimate $6.5 trillion market cap target. These numbers are beyond imagination. Revolutionary product milestone goals. The operational milestones mix profitability targets with product deployment goals, and the 4 product targets are absolutely revolutionary. They focus on Tesla's current and future products, vehicles, and robots. First, delivering a cumulative 20 million Tesla vehicles. This has been Tesla's goal for years. Tesla recently delivered their 8 millionth vehicle and continues delivering about 2 million annually, so they could hit this target within 5 years. Second, 10 million active FSD subscriptions. This is a really interesting target. Tesla doesn't currently disclose active subscriber numbers, so it's hard to judge how challenging this milestone is. But Tesla recently shared FSD purchase rates, which gives us some ideas. Current Tesla subscribers are probably way less than 5 million, maybe around 2 to 3 million. But remember, FSD subscriptions are currently only available in the US and Canada. Recently, FSD launched in Mexico, Puerto Rico, China, and most recently, Australia and New Zealand. Third, delivering 1 million Optimus bots. This means Tesla's humanoid robot is truly entering mass production. Think about it. 1 million humanoid robots deployed worldwide would be absolutely revolutionary. Fourth, 1 million robotaxis in commercial operation. This is truly game-changing. Uber currently has about 8 million drivers worldwide, and the US has an estimated 200,000 to 400,000 city-operated taxi vehicles. Tesla operating 1 million robotaxis could be a complete game-changer. The remaining 8 profitability milestones are trailing 4-quarter adjusted EBITDA targets ranging from $35 billion all the way up to an incredible $275 billion. These profit targets are absolutely mind-blowing. Looking at the expected value by stage is absolutely jaw-dropping. Stage 1. Market value $1.5 trillion. 20 million vehicle deliveries. Expected total value $150 billion. Stage 2. $1.85 trillion. 10 million FSD subscriptions, $375 billion. Stage 3. $2.2 trillion, 1 million robot deliveries, $675 billion. Stage 4, $2.55 trillion, 1 million robotaxis operating, $1.05 trillion. Stage 5, $2.9 trillion, $35 billion adjusted EBITDA, $1.5 trillion. Stage 6, $3.25 trillion, $55 billion adjusted EBITDA, $2.02 trillion. Stage 7, $3.6 trillion, $90 billion adjusted EBITDA, $2.63 trillion. Stage 8, $3.95 trillion, $145 billion adjusted EBITDA, $3.3 trillion. Stage 9, $4.3 trillion, $205 billion adjusted EBITDA, $4.05 trillion. Stage 10, $4.65 trillion, $275 billion adjusted EBITDA, $4.88 trillion. Stage 11, $5.4 trillion, no operational milestone, $6.19 trillion. Stage 12, $6.5 trillion, no operational milestone, $7.55 trillion. It's truly exponential growth. Each milestone's expected value is calculated at that milestone's market value, including stock from all previous milestones. Second bombshell, Tesla AI5 and AI6 chips, Elon's masterpiece. Now, let's move to the second mega news. On September 6th, reporter Simon Alvarez from TeslaModelY shared that Musk dropped bomb after bomb on X. You know what Tesla's been up to, right? They're not just an electric car company. They're already into autonomous driving, batteries, and now AI chips. They're transforming into a complete tech powerhouse. But these AI5 and AI6 chips are on a completely different level. Here AI5 chip design review complete. TSMC manufacturing beg. Musk said they just finished the AI5 chip design review this week. You know what design review means, right? The chip design is complete and they're almost ready for actual production. The key point here is they're starting manufacturing at Taiwan's TSMC. Wait, some of you might not know about TSMC. Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company controls over half the global semiconductor foundry market. They're an absolute monster. Apple's A-series chips, NVIDIA GPUs, AMD CPUs, almost every high-performance chip we know comes from there. But Musk doesn't stop there, starting with TSMC, then ramping up production in Arizona later. This is crucial because the US government is making massive investments to bring semiconductor supply chains back home, and Tesla is riding that wave perfectly. Musk's original bombshell statement. Let me read you exactly what Musk said. Had a great design review with the Tesla AI5 chip design team today. This is going to be an epic chip, and the AI6 to follow has the potential to be the best AI inference chip by far. Moving from two-chip architectures to one allowed all our silicon talent to focus on making one incredible chip. In retrospect, it was the obvious move! The really important part here is moving from two-chip architectures to one. Tesla was previously developing two different types of chips simultaneously. Now they're focusing all resources on one. Think about it. When you're making two things with the same people and resources versus going all in on one, which gives you a more powerful result. AI5's overwhelming performance specs, but that's not all. Musk dropped another bomb in a follow-up post. He said AI5 chip will be the best inference chip for sub-250 billion parameter models. Let me explain what inference means. After AI finishes learning, the process of actually giving answers is called inference. So when you ask ChatGPT a question and it generates a response, that's inference. How big is 250 billion parameters? GPT-3 had 175 billion parameters. So this covers almost every AI model currently available. Plus, he said, lowest silicon cost and best performance per watt. This could be a real game changer. AI6, the ultimate chip manufactured at Samsung, Texas. So what's different about AI6? Musk said AI6 has the potential to be the best AI chip by far. Wow, that's some serious confidence. But Musk is not just about hype. He's succeeded with SpaceX rocket reusability and completely transformed the EV market with Tesla. Here's where it gets really interesting. AI6 will be manufactured at Samsung's Texas facility. Samsung is investing tens of billions in a new semiconductor fab in Texas, and he specifically mentioned this factory is for Tesla's next-generation products, the Cybercab and Optimus humanoid robot. Wait, some of you might not know what Cybercab is. It's Tesla's fully autonomous taxi in development, a driverless taxi where AI handles everything. And Optimus is Tesla's humanoid robot. These two products are what Musk keeps emphasizing as Tesla's future core businesses. Musk's hands-on commitment. Here's a really cool story. Musk said he'll walk the Samsung AI6 Fab Texas line to accelerate factory ramp-up to meet Tesla's requirements. That's so Musk, right? A billionaire CEO personally going to factory floors to check production lines. AI6 equals dojo. Shocking truth. But there's even more shocking news about AI6. Phil Beazle, an industry veteran who worked as an engineer at Apple and Rivian, said, AI6 is now dojo. Musk replied with a target emoji, meaning exactly right. Let me explain dojo. It's Tesla's AI training supercomputer project they've been developing for years, built specifically for training autonomous driving AI. But now, AI6 is powerful enough to completely replace that role. The really important point here is that AI6 can handle both inference and training. Usually, AI chips are either inference-only or training-only. Being able to handle both at the highest level is incredible technology. Third bombshell, Giga Berlin fully autonomous production line. Now let's move to the third mega news. September 7th from Not a Tesla App's Karan Singh. This is absolutely mind-blowing. Tesla has implemented a completely new level of automation at Giga Berlin. What's so amazing? Tesla vehicles now drive themselves from the production line to the delivery staging area using FSD, full self-driving. Yes, you heard right. No human drivers. The cars turn on FSD and move themselves. 100% automated delivery system. Andre Thierig, Senior Director of Manufacturing at Giga Berlin, confirmed on his X account. Currently, 100% of all delivery operations at Giga Berlin work this way. From the light tunnel to the delivery yard, the entire process is fully automated. For those who don't know what the light tunnel is, it's the final quality inspection section at Tesla factories. After vehicles complete all assembly processes, they get final quality checks here. Once they pass, they become real Teslas. But now, right after passing the light tunnel, FSD activates, and the vehicle's first journey begins, without a single person in the driver's seat. Autonomous charging in a perfect system. Really think about this. Until now, when cars finished in factories, people would come start them up and drive them one by one to delivery areas. With Tesla producing thousands daily, that required tons of manpower. But now, that entire process is fully automated. The video is incredible. You see newly made Teslas navigating the complex factory environment. Factory floors have other moving vehicles, various equipment. It's really complex, but these cars independently judge, avoid obstacles, and find their paths. But that's not all. The really amazing part comes next. Cars autonomously go to on-site superchargers for charging. Guys, isn't this absolutely crazy? Cars basically think, oh, I need to charge up, and go to superchargers. Chargers themselves! The charging cable, okay, humans still plug that in, but finding the exact charging location and parking is completely automatic. After charging completes, they leave the supercharger and go to the final destination delivery yard for perfect parking. The entire journey from factory exit to delivery yard is fully automated. First Cybertruck sighting at Giga Berlin. Here's a fun bonus. Sharp-eyed viewers spotted something in the video. The first Cybertruck sighting at Giga Berlin. The Cybertruck had a Giga Berlin label and was marked as a support vehicle. Will we ever see Cybertrucks on European roads? Really exciting. The big picture, connecting all three news stories. All right, everyone. Let's look at these three mega news stories together. You can really start to see Tesla's massive vision coming together, completing the vertical integration strategy. First, Tesla's vertical integration strategy is reaching completion. To achieve those targets from the $6.5 trillion compensation package, 1 million Optimus robots, 1 million robotaxis operating, what do you need? Ultra-high-performance AI chips. That's why AI5 and AI6 chip development is so crucial.
And to efficiently produce these products, you need fully automated production systems like we see at Giga Berlin. Everything is organically connected. In-house AI technology utilization and commercialization. Second, Tesla first uses their own AI technology internally to prove efficiency, then commercializes it. Giga Berlin's fully autonomous delivery system is the perfect example. They're applying FSD technology to their own production process first to prove practicality, then expanding to robotaxi services. Challenge to NVIDIA's monopoly. Third, AI5 and AI6 chip development is a direct challenge to NVIDIA's AI chip market monopoly. Right now, every AI company is lining up to buy NVIDIA chips, but Tesla wants to break free from that dependency with their own chips. Think about Tesla's production scale. Millions of vehicles annually, plus millions of robots and robotaxis planned. That's massive AI chip demand. The strategy is solving that massive demand with in-house supply while getting optimized performance. Concrete execution plan for 10-year vision. Fourth, the 10-year timeline of the $6.5 trillion compensation package aligns perfectly with AI chip development. And current automation technology. This isn't coincidence, it's a meticulously planned roadmap. 2026 robotaxi production start. 10 years to operate 1 million robotaxis. Deliver 1 million Optimus robots. Everything perfectly matches AI5 and AI6 chip mass production. Industry impact analysis. Automotive industry paradigm shift. The ripple effects of these innovations on the traditional automotive industry will be enormous. German traditional automakers like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi are witnessing this innovation in their own backyard. How must they feel? Especially Giga Berlin's fully autonomous delivery system must be shocking to other manufacturers. No automotive manufacturer has ever implemented this level of automation. Semiconductor industry landscape change. The AI chip market will see major changes too. Until now, only traditional semiconductor companies like NVIDIA, AMD, and Intel made AI chips. But now, Tesla's joining that league. Plus, Tesla isn't just selling chips. They're using them directly in their own products, so they can push performance much more aggressively. We've already seen how powerful vertical integration can be with Apple's M1 DM2 chips. Hashtag revolution in logistics and service industries. If 1 million robotaxis actually operate, they could completely replace existing taxi, Uber, Lyft services. No drivers needed means much lower costs and 24/7 operation. And 1 million Optimus robots deployed? That's innovation across manufacturing, services, even household use. Investor and shareholder response outlook. Here importance of November 6th shareholder vote. The November 6th, 2025 shareholder vote will be crucial. Really curious how shareholders will judge this ambitious $6.5 trillion plan. This compensation package isn't just personal compensation for Elon Musk. It's essentially a vote determining Tesla's entire future direction. If shareholders agree to this ultra-ambitious plan, Tesla could grow into an unimaginably large company. Cold assessment of risk factors. Of course, it's not all rosy. Achieving these massive goals requires overcoming countless obstacles. Full self-driving technology safety issues, regulatory approvals in various countries, competitor counterattacks, breaking through technical limitations, so many challenges await. Especially the 1 million robotaxi operation target. Really challenging! Creating a truly scalable autonomous robotaxi network without safety monitors involves enormous technical and regulatory hurdles. Government and regulatory response. European market challenges. For Tesla's innovations at Giga Berlin to spread across Europe, they need approval from various governments and regulators. Especially full self-driving technology requires strict safety verification. But Germany has been quite open to autonomous driving technology, so this could be a good opportunity for Tesla. They have the famous Autobahn highway system and are the home of the automotive industry. Synergy with U.S. semiconductor supply chain policy. The plan to manufacture AI5 at TSMC and AI6 at Samsung's Texas facility is really strategic. The U.S. government is making massive investments to bring semiconductor supply chains home, and Tesla's plan perfectly aligns with that policy direction, especially with Samsung investing tens of billions in a new Texas semiconductor fab. Having Tesla as a major customer is win-win for both sides. Deep technical innovation analysis. FSD technology evolution process. Giga Berlin's fully autonomous delivery system is the perfect showcase of how advanced Tesla's FSD technology has become, working perfectly in factory environments that are more complex and unpredictable than regular roads shows incredible progress. Just a few years ago, there were doubts about whether autonomous driving was even possible. Now, we're at the level where new cars drive themselves to destinations right out of the factory. Tesla will soon add direct FSD subscription capability on the vehicle order page, and FSD version 14 is scheduled for release this month. Musk already said this will be the second biggest update in software history. Revolutionary AI chip technology features. AI5 chip being the best inference chip for sub-250 billion parameter models with lowest silicon cost and best performance per watt is truly revolutionary. And AI6 being able to handle both inference and training is enormous technical progress. Usually, AI chips specialize for specific purposes, but handling all AI tasks universally is incredible achievement. Production automation technology innovation. Tesla's production automation level is truly another dimension. Products actively participating in their own production process is unprecedented in manufacturing history. Until now, products were just passively transported, but now products move themselves and participate in logistics. If this innovation spreads to other industries, incredible changes will happen. Traditional automaker dilemma. Really curious what strategy traditional automakers like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, and Audi will develop seeing Tesla's innovations. Witnessing this innovation in their own backyard must be nerve-wracking. These companies are also investing heavily in EVs and autonomous driving, but whether they're taking as integrated and innovative an approach as Tesla is questionable. Especially, they haven't reached the level of developing their own AI chips. Competition with big tech companies. Big tech companies like Google, Apple, and Amazon are also closely watching Tesla's moves. Especially, they'll compete directly with Google's Waymo and Apple's autonomous vehicle projects. But Tesla already has mass production systems and is collecting data from millions of vehicles on actual roads. That's a huge advantage. Social impact and future outlook. Job changes and social adaptation. The social impact of these innovations will be enormous. Simple, repetitive jobs like yard drivers might decrease, but new jobs, developing and maintaining these advanced systems will emerge. If 1 million robotaxis operate and 1 million Optimus robots are deployed, massive social changes will occur. How our society adapts to these changes will be an important challenge. Environmental impact and sustainability. Tesla's innovations will have positive environmental effects. EV adoption expansion, traffic efficiency improvements through autonomous driving, energy-efficient work through robots, all contributing to a sustainable future. Especially if robotaxis become mainstream, the need for personal vehicle ownership could decrease, reducing overall vehicle demand. This would help solve traffic congestion and protect the environment. Long-term investment value reassessment. Whether the $6.5 trillion target market cap is realistically achievable is debatable, but considering Tesla's track record, it's not completely impossible. Who would have predicted EVs would spread this fast 10 years ago? Tesla has made many seemingly impossible things risk and opportunity balance. Of course, these ambitious goals come with proportional risks. Technology development uncertainty, regulatory approval difficulties, intensifying competition. Many variables exist. But looking at the innovations Tesla is already showing, they have sufficient potential to overcome these challenges. Tesla is clearly leading in AI technology, autonomous driving, and robotics. Impact on Korea. Implications for Korean companies. I hope Korean companies get inspired by Tesla's innovations. Shouldn't Korean conglomerates like Hyundai Motor, LG, and Samsung pursue this level of innovation? Especially Samsung manufacturing Tesla's AI6 chips could be a great opportunity for Korea. This could further advance Korea's semiconductor technology. Need for national-level response strategy. To keep Korea from falling behind in this global tech innovation trend, we need active government support and investment. We should develop Korea's unique competitiveness in AI, autonomous driving, and robotics. Tesla's vision of the future. Everyone, looking at today's 3 Tesla mega news stories comprehensively, you can really start to see Tesla's vision of the future, the $6.5 trillion target market cap, in-house AI5 and AI6 chip development, Giga Berlin's fully autonomous delivery system. All of this is completing one massive picture. Tesla isn't just an electric car company.
They're becoming a true technology innovation company, leading innovation across AI, robotics, autonomous driving, energy, and semiconductors. If targets like 20 million vehicle deliveries, 10 million FSD subscriptions, 1 million Optimus bots, 1 million robotaxis operating, and $275 billion EBITDA are all achieved, the world we live in will truly change. Of course, whether all this will be realized is uncertain. But considering Tesla and Elon Musk's track record, many seemingly impossible things have become reality. Really curious about the November 6th shareholder vote results. What judgment will shareholders make on this ambitious plan? And can Tesla really make this future reality? It's worth watching. Most of all, I'm really excited and thrilled about what changes these innovations will bring to our daily lives. A fully autonomous driving era, living with humanoid robots, a world where AI handles everything. Sci-fi movie scenes. Oreos are becoming reality. What do you think about today's news? It's fascinating, but also kind of scary, right? But this is becoming our reality, and I think that's both amazing and exciting. How was today's video? If you want to learn more about Tesla's innovative tech developments, please subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. That way I can keep bringing you interesting and informative news like this. I'll be back with more exciting tech news next time. Thanks so much for watching today.